What's up, YouTube? It's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. We're doing a quick walkthrough. I'm on the military base and I have a 2-bedroom hallway, staircase, and all the closets. In this video, I'll give a shout out to Ariana and Lee. And this was truly an awesome experience. And my friends, Ariana and Lee, will know what I mean when I say truly an awesome experience. I'll share that with you in probably part 3 or 4 of this episode. You could see there's a few spots. I got my Green Dragon mixed up, my work sprayer, and a couple urine spots which we'll get out. And Ariana had pre-cleaned the carpets for me with her home cleaning steam cleaner, so that was awesome as well. Not too many people pre-clean for the cleaner, but she watches my YouTube videos, which is awesome. I appreciate that, and I told her, hey, I'm going to put a video together just for you. So this one's for Ariana and Lee. Here's my spotter, and if you've watched my video, you know, or my videos, you know that I'll come in, pre-spot. I do use the cordless drill with the white scrubbing brush and agitate some of these mysterious spots so that when I come in, pre-spray and do the regular cleaning, I won't be up against any unusual stains. And I did speed up this segment, I think 2 times, just so that I could get it on my iPhone. I'm working on switching out to a GoPro. My iPhone, when it gets too much video that I haven't had a chance to upload on it, it doesn't allow me to edit the videos like this and then save it. It will say that my storage is full or I don't have enough storage. I've even purchased a plugin file that you can put in, and that just takes forever to download. So I'm going to cut this video up into a few episodes, which is cool by me. Once I get it up, then the next video will be that amazing results on the restaurant that I did, the Indian restaurant. And this is working fantastic. The spotter is getting everything out, whatever it was. Looked like it could be just some organic spills. Who knows? One of them was under the bed. And if you're new to the carpet cleaning business and you're watching my videos to learn step by step, obviously the first step would be pre-vacuuming. It's not every job you're going to show up to where they've pre-cleaned it and vacuumed. There's the drill and the brush. Alrighty then, that's the pre-treatment. Look for my part 2, and I'll come through with the swirly and pre-agitate with the 3M scouring pad.